Hi everyone, welcome into SK Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about web scraping. So, what exactly is web scraping? Web scraping is a technique used to automatically extract data from website. Instead of copying and pasting information manually, we use code tools to collect the data quickly and efficient. So, let's begin. Create a new file. Right click here, test folder, right click and then click on new Python file. Enter here scraping and then enter. You can create a new directory, this test and src. Just right click on project folder and then click on directory, and then you need to enter directory name. So you can easily create a directory and then create a test file inside this directory. Now, add import WebDriver first from Selenium. Import WebDriver, first import WebDriver and then import by from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and import by here. Step 1 is launch Chrome browser. First, launch Chrome browser. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot dot Chrome. First, launch Chrome browser. Step 2 here. Step 2, open the target website. Driver dot get. For opening any website or URL, so you just need to enter here driver dot get and then enter the URL of the website. Suppose you want to open this website, so you need to enter this URL driver dot get and then enter the URL of the website. This is for launch the Chrome browser. As you can view here, if we click on this driver dot, here multiple browsers are available. For now, click on Chrome. Now it will open the Chrome browser and open this website. Add some wait here for page fully loaded. So add here time dot slip to step 3 here. Step 3, loop through pages and extract codes. First, we need to extract these codes and then extract the author name. As you can view here, multiple codes and author names are available. In this scenario, we need to extract all the codes and the author name. Also, in the next page, multiple data are available. I will show you how you can extract this data while to use here while and find all the codes on the current page. Find all the codes on the current page. For finding all the codes, you need to locate element. Okay, so you need to locate element. You can locate here element. Right click here on code, inspect, and here class name available. You can locate this element by class name. All codes class is equal to text. So we can locate this element by class name. Define here variable name, which is quotes, is equal to driver dot find element and elements. Here two options are available. If you want to locate single element, so just click on find element. But in this scenario, we need to find elements. So click on find elements and find element by class name. This all the locators, class name, ID, CS selector, name, XPath. In this scenario, we will locate this element by class name, enter class name, and then enter text is text. Class name text is text. Same as well, we need to define here variable name for authors is equal to driver dot find elements by quote. Let's see how we can locate this element. Click on this author name, inspect, and here class is equal to author. Enter here by dot class name and then enter here value of class is equal to author. This is for finding locator element by class name. You will find all the elements by class name. Now print the code with its author. So here you will use first, right here, print each code with its authors for I in range. Use length function here, length and quotes. Now we can print quotes and authors. Print F double quote. Inside double quote we will define quotes dot quotes and enter here I dot text. Same as well for author, we need to enter here authors I and dot text, enter double quote here, remove this one and enter here double quote. We need to remove this double quote from here because we need to define double quote at the end. Remove this one. Now step 4, to go to the next page. First we need to extract this code and author name and then click on the next button. As you can view here, multiple quotes and author name also available in the next page, and as well we can view here in the third page. So we need to extract all the quotes and the author name. For locating this element, right click here, inspect. By clicking on this next button, we can locate this element by text name. So text name is next. Step 4, try to go to the next page. Go to the next page. Here we will use try next underscore btn is equal to driver find element by dot. We can locate this element by link text and the text name is next. first locate this element and then click on this button. We need to click on the button. Next, btn dot click. We need to click on this button. So here we will use click method. Click on this next button and then add some weight here. Time dot slip 2, which is used for wait for page 2 except break. Here we use except because if next button not found, exit loop. Now just close the browser. After completion all the steps, we need to close the browser. Now close the browser. For closing the browser we need to enter here driver dot quit. Enter here driver.quit. Let's go here and same as well. We need to enter here try and accept here driver.quit, which is used for close the browser. Now we can run the test. For running the test, right click on this file name and then click on scraping. In this scenario, first it will go to this website and extract this code with author name. As you can view here, we are getting codes and author name, but we are not getting the codes and the author name of the next page because here next button is not click. For clicking on next button, click on previous, scroll down and next. This button text is next and this arrow. So open this. We can use here partial link text. For clicking on this button, by dot partial link text. In partial link text, we do not need to enter the complete link text name. We can just enter here next. So it will locate this element by this link name. Now we can run the test. Before running this test, click on clear all and then click on run scraping. First it will open the Chrome browser, navigate to the URL. We can maximize the window by using driver.maximize window. So you can view here, go to the second page and print this codes and author name. Go to the fourth page. It will extract all the codes with author name and print in a console. Go to the sixth page. It will extract all the codes and author name. We can view here all the codes with author name printed successfully. After printing all the codes and author, it will close the window. You can view here, close the window. We can view here all codes and the author name. That's all for today's tutorial on scraping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials on Selenium, Python, automation and testing tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.